In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your air filter on your Chevy Sonic. It's located under the hood on the passenger side. We're going to disconnect our mass airflow sensor first. To do that, you're going to pull out your red tab like that and push down and disconnect the connector. Set that off to the side. Next, we're going to take this off. To do that, you're going to press in and remove. And that's just going to free it up a little bit. Next, we're going to use a T25 Torx bit and remove this screw. And there should be one here as well. Ours is missing. Remove the other one. And now we're going to pull this off by picking up on it and unhooking it over here. You're going to unhook it here, pull that out this way, and then pick it up. Once you get to this point, you're going to pull this out and remove it. And if you have debris inside, you want to clean that out first. We're going to install our air filter. Just place it in the place that it came from. Make sure it's all the way in. And now we're going to put this back. And you're going to make sure those things right there are going through the slots. Make sure that these 3 points of contact are going through the bracket. And then you can lay it down. Make sure it's all flush. And now we're going to install our bolt over here. Just going to make sure it's lined up properly with my threading it in by hand. And we can snug it up. Do the same with this one. Now we're going to put this on. To do that, you're going to slide it in and then apply pressure. It should click into place. And now we're going to reconnect our mass airflow sensor. Make sure you hear that click, and then you're going to push down on this red lock and make sure it's good. You're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.